Here's what will happen to your body if you eat watermelon every day. It can transform your health in surprising ways. This juicy fruit, comprised of 90% water, offers not just hydration, but also an array of nutrients like vitamins A, C, and potassium. The benefits span from boosting immunity and rejuvenating skin to aiding weight loss, thanks to its satiating fiber. Moreover, its citrulline content enhances muscle function and vascular health. Finally, the magnesium in watermelon ensures relaxation, headache relief, and peaceful sleep. Truly, it's not just a tasty treat, but a wellness-packed wonder.
Are you big on health? Like and follow for more.